Hey everyone, I'm Samantha, the Atlas Dietitian and Wellness Coordinator, and I'm here to show you how to make a super simple snack, English Muffin Mini Pizzas. This is a really great snack because it's really quick and easy, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients or prep work, and it's also really customizable. You can really play with the toppings and the flavors and help it hit whatever craving you're having. It's especially great on those days where you're craving something cheesy or saucy, but you only want a little something. So let's go ahead and take a look. The first thing you'll want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, or you could also use a toaster oven if you have one, like I'll be doing here at the Community Transit Break Room. Then you'll want to pick your crust, so I'll be using whole wheat English muffins to get some extra fiber and whole grains and nutrients, but you could really do whatever bread you have on hand, whether it be naan or pita or some other flatbread, or you could even try a tortilla. And the next thing will be to drizzle some olive oil over the top, and this will just help it get nice and toasted. And once we've done that, we'll just pop it in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to look nice and toasty. Next we'll add the sauce. So I'll be using just a traditional red pizza sauce, but you could also do pesto or barbecue, Alfredo, really whatever you want there. And then we'll top it with our veggies and cheese. So I'll be using some green onion, bell pepper, spinach, and I'll be using mozzarella cheese. And once we've got it all on the muffin, we'll put it back in the oven or toaster oven for another 5 to 10 minutes until everything looks like it's been warmed and the cheese is melty and it's all nice and toasty. And once it's done cooking, you can add your final garnishes. I added some fresh chopped basil to mine, but you could also experiment with other spices or herbs, and then it's ready to eat. If you want, you could also try freezing it. If you're gonna do that, I'd recommend doing it before you put it in the oven for the second time with all the toppings, and then all you have to do is pull it out of the freezer, pop it in the oven, and you'll have a nice, easy snack for later. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.